Today we're going to be covering creating a new section layout so you can have more variety in your compile in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you haven't watched either of the Customizing Section Layouts videos, I'd suggest you watch one of those first, as I'm not going to go through all the very basics here. For this you will need a custom format. I'm just going to edit the one we created previously by right-clicking and selecting Edit Format. But if you don't have one already, you'll need to do the same on a standard format and select Duplicate and Edit. First, select the section layout from the right-hand panel, closest in format to the new one you want to create. Here I'm going to create a new double title style. Next, click on the plus symbol at the top right of the section layouts box. A new item will appear in the list. Give this a name. Now you can make all your formatting changes as we did in the previous videos, and click Save. Then all you have to do is go into the Section Layouts panel and apply this new layout to the relevant section type. Next time we'll be covering how to create a new paperback trim size format.